Welcome to an epic journey like no other, an adventure across the diverse heart of India, from the serene backwaters of Kerala to the breathtaking heights of the world's highest motorable pass, Umlingla. This isn't just a road trip, it's a celebration of India's incredible diversity, culture and the indomitable spirit of adventure. Over thousands of kilometers, I'll be riding through the stunning landscape of the south, the deserts of the west, the plains of the heartland, and the rugged Himalayas of the north. And of course, the heart of this ride lies on one ultimate goal, the world's highest motorable pass, where the mountains kiss the sky. But the journey is just as important as the destination. It's not just about the roads we ride, but the memories we create along the way. So, fasten your helmet, fuel up your dreams, and join me on this once-in-a-lifetime adventure from Kerala to the top of the world.